Basket Full of Moonlight by Sunil Sharma. O moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cars plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight.